Brian Olang achako kodi. Kana kalo e nonro mari mane motelo ne chenro ma kawuono intiere kod oboke no motenore kod nono kata chwalo weche do kotenore kod rocho ratiro mag jofwambo to mae timore kawuok e riwruoge mopogore opogore ma jofwambo bende nitiere. Monj ma kama mosene ka timore juma mokalo chieng' tich ang'wen ok obila gweyo jafwambo matimo tije, moko bende idwa thal, moko bende bayo gi tiagas, moko bende nogo lisasi e kaunti ma Nakuru. Gichal nade nyaka sani ratiro mantiere kar ka, bende ratiro boyud kaka tere gi do.
Bingani kata ki chako gi higa mokalo, yalo gima notimore kane jo Azimio ne dhi ng'anyo. You know, there was a lot of attack on the media. Koro king'iyo gini, I think it's very deliberate because police do not understand the kind of work. Again, one police mentality, apparently pre-80s or 90s. They do not know. Sanigi Kiani Article 34 Mar Constitution, Mio Media, Freedom Maritime Tijige. It is very clear under Article 34 Mar Constitution. The media are free to do their work. Koro kasa ni kata ntie ng'anyo, tidhi kanyo, titimo tiji. Police okoni kubende donjo, kata interfere, to inyi, kata goi. Nikachimano tije mitimo. Their work is to maintain law and order. Your work is to report. Lakini koro inano koro kwa gidonje attacking the media. And it's something continuous. Every year, can't or any other thing which is happening. Masera kalo kodua. And you see an attack on the media. If there's a pro-government protest, nothing happens. The media okbego, kata jonga nyongo okumaki kata okugogi. So, kataking your persecution or investigation, you know the police themselves are the one who investigate and hand over the file to the DPP to prosecute. How can they again investigate themselves if they are the ones who are committing the crime? So this is something we need to rethink on how we're going to do it. Yes. Are we going to... Such cases should be reported to IPOA. Lakini IPOA, mana longo ni toothless bulldog. Ongagi maginya timu. Police excesses. Police, you have seen over 60 people have died. Ogeng amos the court. Signing here over 24 cases, more than reported. Ma jofwambo ma ogogi police. Katamo ingi police. Nothing has happened. So as a country, we need to rethink how we are going to do these things. Kata IPOA, they need to at least show us their teeth. I don't see any hope. I think give their man fees every single day. Any month, give mshahara, yes.
Kapo kabiri Michael Olang